Hello, welcome back to All Things Robotics, a series of informal conversations on robotics. We again have Professor Akul Thakur, Professor Sujay Kadam, and I am Harish P. Where do you see AI coming in robotics? Do you see AI playing a big role? Is it one of the roles, as you say, coming up in a big way in robotics?
So before yeah, that's a great question actually. Before I come to the answer on I just thought that robotics is more about doing, and a little less about studying. I thought you'll learn more by doing it. That's what
Okay,
I thought.
excellent point.
Yeah. And then coming to your question on I think AI is probably everywhere now. Even in robotics, I imagine right from algorithm design, coding part of it, uh, AI is going to be very useful. Uh, Even from 3D design part of the things, I think still we'll have a lot of help from AI. That's what I feel. It's going to be very very pervasive.
Yeah, the way I look at AI is it's something that has got a lot of prominence today. There's no question about it. Even um, nowadays, people who have nothing to do with AI also talk about AI, right? But AI has been in the field for quite some time. Artificial neural networks, uh, it has actually made the Nobel Prize winner this year, right? So, but it was discovered long time ago, right? So when we talk about AI in robotics, AI has been used in robotics, but the structured way in which the AI is coming up today, that is revolutionizing the field. It's not the AI in itself, but the push that is coming to make different AI products, and those AI products can be hooked up with robotic solutions. So, for example, I can give you some instances. So, today, generative AI is used for designing mechanisms. So, mechanism synthesis was earlier totally a field of human imagination, where a person would think about what kind of motion is required and then think about what type of joints and links could be attached together to produce that kind of motion. But all that permutation combination need not be entirely done inside the human brain, but can be put into the computer, and then computer can generate many mechanisms. Of course, accuracy is one of the major issues with AI, and that has to be dealt with. The other example is that of how can images and videos be processed. So an onboard camera on a robot captures lots of imagery, and it is in some sense the same thing that humans do with their eyes or animals do with their eyes. But images alone doesn't tell about what objects are there in the images and what are the threats and what are the opportunities there. So there is a mind, there's a brain that actually processes those images. So AI is actually doing that work today, right? So computer vision was a technique, it has been a technique in the field, but AI products are making those processes fast and in a very structured manner. So that again is another instance where AI and machine learning can revolutionize robotics.
I have a little bit different perspective also on this, while I do agree with what you're saying. I think I see robotics not just as a field that uses AI, because as you said, lots of other fields now use AI methods. I feel there's a deeper connect between robotics and AI as compared to most other fields. And what we are certainly seeing in our lab is there are lots of aspects of inference means uh, you are measuring something, but you are inferring other characteristics beyond what you are directly measuring, and that AI models are playing a big role in that. And there is this new field of physical AI that is coming up, and that's very closely related to robotics. In fact, it's coming through robotics in some way, where, even if I take a simple example, if I pick up a coffee cup, uh, I can sense without looking at it whether the coffee cup is filled with coffee or not, right? So an AI algorithm can do that even if you had just force measurements. Force itself does not tell you whether the coffee cup is filled with liquid or not, but it can use some level of pre-training and intelligence to infer, okay, what is going on in the coffee cup? Is it empty? Is it full? Is it slippery? Is it deformable? So there are many such things that now AI algorithms are very actively contributing to within robotics, I feel.
I perfectly agree with that. That's a great example.